Pick up a filter plate and place it on the table. Lifting equipment is required for heavy filter plates.
Fold the filter cloth as shown and pull the cloth through the feed eye. Next, the part number is aligned with the top of the plate. Place the filter plate with the filter cloth flat onto the table. The cloth is then tacked at the corners using an air hammer.
Turn the filter plate.
Once the cloth is tacked at the corners, the air hammer is run along the straight edges. This plate can now be flipped to install the cloth on the other side. This filter plate now has a cloth installed and is ready to be used in a filter press.